a vegetable? Some people think I am a cereal, okay? But I am a vegetable. I am used as a staple food for Ghanaians. I can be used to prepare banku, kenke, porridge, and I can be roasted and chewed. Who am I?
Cow.
Oh, okay. Riddle. I am a vegetable.
What vegetables are
No. I am a very small animal in old McDonald's farm. And I don't have eyes, but I make holes in the ground for air to enter under the roots of the plant. Who am I? I don't have eyes. Who am I? I am a worm. Okay, clap for Miss Becky.